Now we're going to talk about circular motion. Uniform circular motion is just the movement of an object or particle or anything at a constant speed around a circle with a fixed radius. Now, if you're moving at a constant speed, if your car's on cruise control, but you're trying to drive around a circle or you're trying to drive around an on-ramp or something like that, you're always having to change, move the wheel, turn the wheel in your car, and that's because you constantly are changing direction when you're moving in a circle. And so your displacement is just going to be your change in R. And we'll get more into this in a little bit. Now, since you're always moving you're always changing direction, you will always be accelerating when you're moving in a circle. And we call this type of acceleration centripetal acceleration, or the acceleration of objects that are moving in a circle. And again, this is because you're always changing direction and you're always accelerating. Now, since we're always accelerating when we're moving in a circle, we can actually calculate this centripetal acceleration, and that is your centripetal acceleration is equal to your velocity squared divided by r. Now, when you're doing these problems, your velocity is equal to 2 pi r divided by t. And so if you want to put this in your formula, you end up with 2 pi r divided by t squared over r, which will give you 4 pi squared r squared over t squared times r. Now this r will cross out this squared, and you will end up with this. And the reason I'm doing this is because a lot of times they don't give you your velocity. So if you know these things, you can actually find your centripetal acceleration. And so that's why I'm doing this for you. Now, if you can calculate centripetal acceleration, then you can probably calculate centripetal force. And just like always, our force is equal to our mass times our acceleration, except this time we're going to be using centripetal acceleration instead of a regular acceleration. Our mass is just a regular mass. That doesn't change at all.